Good evening, friends, and welcome to another live stream by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. So today we'll be discussing about uncommonly used but pretty useful option trading strategy, and I hope all of you will like the strategy. Okay, and today we have seen markets have gone down, and in last few days, maybe from almost 1 week, we are talking about how to safeguard your positions when market is going up. And today we have seen sort of a bloodbath in the market, right? Hopefully all your positions are safe, and uh, let's see what can be done. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions. Uh, Maybe after 15 minutes when I have finished the topic, right? Can you confirm if my voice is audible so that we can start? Mr. Sharma says first like, then watch. Thanks, Mr. Sharma. Hello, Mr. Gupta. How are you? Okay, is my voice audible? My voice is audible. Thanks for confirming, Mr. JP, Mr. Vikas Ratan. Thank you. So let us start with this. Uh, Hopefully many of you are really expert traders, so hopefully many of you must be knowing this strategy. Nothing very new about it, but yes, it is not very commonly used, what I have seen. Okay, all of you who are new to this channel, please go ahead and then press that subscribe button. Once you're pressing that subscribe button, do not forget to press that bell icon also, so that you get a notification whenever we are live. So most of the working days we are live at uh, 9 p.m. So press that subscribe button and press that bell icon also, and you will get the notification. I was thinking there was some discussion going on that okay, you're not getting a notification. You get a notification when we go live, and when we press that button live, and when we start, within that there is hardly a period of 1 or 2 minutes. So that is why initially sometimes you feel that okay, you have just now got the notification and video has already started. But let me assure you that till the time this screen of subscribe button is there, video has not actually started. We are just introducing the today's topic. We are just checking whether voice is audible or not, right? So you have not missed anything. Otherwise, a lot of people, what they can do is they can go to the video section of the channel, and they can see at around 8:45 to 8:50 that video icon of new video gets created, and you can join from there also. But notification you will generally get when we start the live video. So if you wait for the notification, then yes, by the time notification comes, by the time you enter the YouTube video, there can be a delay of 50-60 seconds, and by that time video has just started, right? Nothing to worry about that. You can always go to the video section, and you can check at around 8:50, 8:55, and a new icon will be created, and you can always see that, right? Okay, so thanks to all of the new people who have already subscribed, and people who have already members of this group. You know what to do. You need to press that like button. So nice of you. We have already almost, you can say, very close to 100 likes. That's really encouraging. Thanks to all of you. Special thanks to Deepak ji and Mr. Sharma and Love Aroda. Thanks, yeah, so nice of you. I really missed you all yesterday also. Okay, now let me give you a brief conversation about two traders. Both of them follow hedged trading strategies, and this was the conversation when market was going up. Trader A said, uh, "Although my trades are hedged, but would be better off if market goes down." So although his trades were hedged, but uh, he was wishing that okay, market should slightly go down so that he starts making better profit. Trader B, again, he was also a hedge trader. He said, in fact, I am pretty happy if market keeps going up for few more points. And this is the scenario maybe 2 days back when markets were going up only. So B said, I'm pretty happy if market travels another 50 to 100 points from here. I will be really happy. And then what happened? Markets went down. Right? This may be the conversation between many of you also. Markets went down as Mr. A wanted the market to go down. Markets went down. Then Mr. A said, oh, I am in good profits now, although I am not booking my profits, but I am in good profits now. Second trader B said, my profits are slightly reduced, but still I am hedged, so no worries. And what happened after that is, again today markets went down further. So yesterday we have seen markets going down. Today also markets went down further by a decent amount. And now Mr. A said, "Oh, I'm not at all happy now." Earlier, Mr. A was wishing that market should go down. Market went down. He was okay, but market further went down. He said, "I am not at all happy now." B said, "Why you wanted a fall in the markets? Why you are not happy now?" A said, "Oh, earlier my trades were getting challenged on upside when markets were moving up, but now in my trades there is a risk on downside also. I wanted a fall, but not this much." See, all of us wanted a fall, but not this much. What happened to markets today? Yes or no? All of us were having, if I'm not wrong, positions which were having 10,000 call, 10,100 call, 10,200 call. But simultaneously, there must be some positions on put side also, maybe a 9,800 put, maybe a 9,900 put, or a 10,000 put. I'm talking about all those traders who are, not into closed strategies like iron condor or butterfly, but traders who have some open strategies like short straddle or short strangle. So till last few days, they were really worried about what will happen to the position of short call. And from last few days, they were getting a little bit of relief. And today, the issue is, what will I do with these hedged positions which were short puts? Right, so that is very common with most of us, most of the traders. Sometime they will go, uh, you see, they will feel bad for their portfolio when market is moving up. And then market, you see, ultimately market has lost almost 400 points in few trading sessions. So most of the hedge trading strategies will have a upper break even as well as a lower break even, right? So that will happen to most of the traders, and we need not worry about that, because that is very much part and parcel of the market. So earlier we were adjusting our calls, and obviously now, if markets didn't stop the kind of moves Dow Jones is showing, the kind of negativity, Mr. Riaz has said, 140 points down SGX is showing, we can see somewhat more pain on the downside in the market now. Till yesterday, we were suffering on the upside, and now it has started going on the downside. So that is the biggest problem with many of the hedge traders. That, okay, in a bid to safeguard your positions which are moving up, we start selling more puts, we start rolling up our puts, we start buying some futures, and that makes things really difficult when market reverses. And whenever market reverses with a decent speed. So this time also it's not a less speed. In You can say, in 2 sessions market has lost almost more than 400 points from the top, right? So this is definitely a problem. So what can be a solution to this kind of a problem? Solution, okay, I'm not saying that, okay, close all your strategies and now switch to these strategies, but as I said, I'm going to show you a little bit uncommon strategy, but it is pretty useful. And off late I have also started using it, and using it pretty well. So some lesser used strategies are having only one break even, right? The benefit is we have only one break even, unlike most of the strategies, which if market goes up, uh, we are getting scared on the upper break even. If market goes down, we are getting scared on the lower break even. And that is definitely a life of a option trader who is, although using hedge strategies, but still they are open strategies. Open strategies means there can be unlimited loss. And although open strategies are like short strangle, short straddle, they can have unlimited loss but very limited profit, right? So Mr. Siddharth is having some 9,400 put. It is pretty far away, Mr. Siddharth. Don't worry. Mr. Sharma says, I have 10,000 foot and few long calls. Need to repair it tomorrow. Today's fall. There's no time to adjust. So that is the problem, Mr. Sharma. Now, maybe to safeguard your short calls, what you have done is you have sold a very high level put, which is 10,100. Not only that, what you have done is you have purchase some calls also, so that definitely happens. So this is kind of a trap that okay, market keeps on moving up, and suddenly when you don't expect, when nobody expects, it will really go down. So in these kind of scenarios, when we are using strategies which are having two break even points, we are worried on up moving markets also, and we are worried on down moving markets also. If market is really range bound, that is generally a golden period for most of the traders who are into open strategies. For people who are into closed strategies, they know their risk is hardly anything, so they can sail through any kind of big bad moments also, right? So some strategy can have only one break even, so there will be obvious advantage that okay, you are not worried on both the sides, right? If I show you, let me show you. Okay, if I show you this strategy, now if you see in this, let me take a pen. Let me choose a color. Okay, if I see in this on upside, there is no risk at all. If market goes up, there is no risk at all. If market goes down below this level, which can be somewhere around 97 or whatever, if market goes below this level, then I have a risk, and that risk is also limited risk. That is not a unlimited risk. Now this kind of a strategy has only one break even, and that break even is lower side, right? This has only one break even. This doesn't have any break even requirement. On upside, you are 100% safe wherever the market goes. So this chart is covering up to 12,109. There is no issue even if market goes about 12,000, right? Or a similar corollary of this kind of strategy can be something like this. This is opposite of what I have shown you earlier. Now this is a downside strategy. In this case, if market goes down to any levels, there is no issue at all, right? It is always profitable. Only thing is, if market goes up, and which can be some break even point here, my drawing is not that great, then in that case, on upside, I will have a limited risk. So the advantage is that okay, you have to take care of only one side of the market. If market is going in one direction, you are pretty much safe and you are not at all bothered. But if market is going in other direction, then you need to manage the trade, right? So these are some of the strategies which all of most of you must be knowing. It's not a broken iron condor, broken wing call spread. Oh, very complicated name, Mr. Reddy. You see, you have written some trades, but sorry to say that, Mr. Suresh, and you see, all the chat has really gone up, and I'm not able to read anything. So maybe if you want, you can write your trades again, and I'll take that. Right. So what is this strategy known as? Most of you are pretty much there. This is known as broken wing butterfly strategy. This is a broken wing butterfly. Yes, Mr. Daksh, Mr. Gupta. You have identified it really well. So what happens in this strategy is that you create trades based on your directional view, based on your directional analysis. Generally, it is said that okay, butterfly is something directional neutral, but when you make it a broken wing butterfly, it becomes slightly directional. So it is also termed as a directional butterfly. So on one side, I am least bothered. On other side, I can always manage my risk because risk is always limited in these kind of uh, trading strategies, right? So here what happens in case of a butterfly, you are creating two spreads. So here if I give you an example, you create a different distance between two spreads. So if you say buy 9500 port, you sell two 9700 ports. So instead of going to buying a 9900 port, what you will do is you will buy a 9800 port, and it will give you an effect that okay, on upside wherever market goes, you are least bothered. On downside, if market goes, you have one position which you need to adjust. So 50% of your tension is gone, that okay, it's not that okay, in both the directions of market you have to do something, right? So what are the advantages of these kind of strategies? Advantages is only one break even point, right? Hence, need not bother about the opposite side or reversals of the market. Now, what has happened with most of us? We were very much bothered about what is happening to the market, whether the market is moving towards 10,400. It almost touched, I think, 10,390 or something, or 290 or something, and then whether it is going to go to 10,500. Can we see a big gap up market going to 10,600? But and then accordingly we play to our fears, and then we start taking trades which will make us more safe up to 10,450, and then we'll do some other trade that okay, I'm safe up to 550, 600, 650. All these tools will help you in doing that. But then suddenly there is a reversal. So we were short in calls. All those short calls are started giving me profit. But then what happened to all those trades which I have taken to protect those calls? Now all those trades will start eating my head. But in these kind of strategies, that is not the case. So on one side you are 100% safe. You will be just having a profit wherever the market goes. On other side, yes, you have to take care of the trade. So it's not a double uh, edged sword, it's a single edged sword. Other side is very safe, right? Please go ahead and like this video so that I can have 10 seconds water break, and then I will take your questions also. Okay, thanks for some of you who have pressed that like button. I hope others will also do that. If you're doing it on a mobile, maybe you need to switch off the chat for a few seconds. Press that like button, and then you can again come back to the chat and you can post your questions. What are the other advantages of this kind of a trade? uh, Loss is limited even if your analyzed direction goes wrong. In open trades, on one side I'm losing, other side I can also lose, and I can lose unlimited on both the sides. So in this case, my profit will be there on one side. On the other direction of the market, even if there is a loss, that will be a limited loss. And adjustments to take care of wrong directional move also. Suppose you predicted that okay, market will go up, and accordingly you have taken the first strategy which I have shown as a payoff diagram. But instead of going up, market didn't went up, it was there only. So then also it's okay. But if market goes down, then also there can be a very beautiful adjustment done which will take care of markets going down also. So that really uh, gives you a kind of a stress-free environment. And different versions of this broken wing butterfly can be combined with other strategies for excellent results. Other strategies can be as risky as short straddle or short strangle, and these broken wing butterflies can be combined with those trades, and then you can get very good output from many of the strategies, depending upon whatever is happening to the trades, what for trades are designed, and whatever is happening to the market. If there are any reversals, you can create these kind of trades so that you know one side is going to be good, on other side my other trade will take care, right? So that is the use. It can be used as an independent strategy, it can be used as a linkage to some other strategies also, right? So uh, a good strategy, but the only thing is you need to know how to manage it, right? Mr. Dr. Murthy says I have July 8,000 put 8 lots. Just relax, Dr. Murthy, and keep on treating patients. 8,000 is very far away, right? No worries at all. Okay, Mr. Krishna says, I have 9,500 put, 10,500 call, sold July expiry. Is it okay to hold it now? If you are getting a profit, you can reduce the position. But otherwise, as of now, we are somewhere close to 9,900 if I'm not wrong. So not very big issue, but yes, if market starts trading below, let us say 98, 97, 97.50, that time you should be worried and you need to do some adjustments, Mr. Krishna, right? If we do with this 2 months in hand, the market has time to move in our favor, Mr. Siddharth. You see, 2 months is a very long time nowadays. In 2 months, market will 10 times move in your favor and 20 times move against you. So it has to be shorter than that. Good evening, Mr. Gopal. Yesterday there was no live stream. Obviously, no, sir, there was no live stream. An added leg for ratio spread, broken wing butterfly, you can say that, or it's a butterfly. but with a leg at a different distance. We are still at 140 when 241 watching. So nice of you. I also need to press that like button, Mr. Ghosh. And people have listened to you. So we are now, I think, 184. By the time we end this video, hopefully we'll cross 200. We can create the strategy with 30 to 40k investment. We can also create multiple sets. Definitely, Mr. Sharma, you can do that. Multiple pieces of this strategy and multiple things in both the directions can be used. But more often than not, we try to use this strategy as a hedge to some other strategy. So if I'm creating a strategy which is good on markets going up, so maybe that means I have something which will give me good profit if market is going down. So maybe against a short call, I will create a upgoing strategy. Against a short put, I will try to create a strategy which is in reverse direction, and it will give me profit if market goes down, right? So good evening, sir. Excellent strategy. So nice of you. Thank you. Mr. Santosh says I have a 10,400 call and 9,800 put. Oh, so 9,800 put is definitely a challenge, Mr. Santosh. You need to break the trade, shift 9,800 put down, and whatever you are losing, try to extract it from call side, because I don't know. See, I'm saying all these things. If market keeps on moving down, you have to take care of 9,800 put. It is becoming very close to the spot, right? 600 quantity each of 9,900 call sell, 10,100 by 18th June. Uh, that's pretty good. You have a bear call spread, so you will be making money, Mr. Suresh. No worries. As soon as you have profit, try to book some profits. Sold December 11,000 calls, Mr. Satya. No issue at all. Beer put spread 97 950, Mr. Rai. Nothing much to lose, nothing much to gain. 50 points only. So don't worry at all. SGX is down. Stop seeing SGX now. You don't know what will happen tomorrow morning. So many times we have seen SGX behaving like that, and tomorrow morning things are totally different. So stop seeing that. Stop disturbing your sleep. Enjoy your sleep now. Tomorrow morning you cannot control. You see, even if you keep on seeing SGX, it will not become plus 200. So don't worry about that. Morning, whatever happen will happen, and you have to change your trades, right? I have to convert my existing position of 9,000 put buy plus 289 put sell to broken wing. Oh, it's very far away, 8,900. So no worries at all. Is this a four leg? It's a three leg strategy. It's not a four leg. It's a four leg strategy. You can say it's like just like a butterfly. If you consider butterfly four leg, this is also four leg. Don't worry about likes, because later I've seen these videos get more than 1,000 likes. That's true, but you see, let me explain you. So many of you tell me, sir, why are you worried about likes? You see, basically the algorithm with which YouTube works is that, okay, if you have good interactions, if you have good comments and good likes on any video in the initial period of the video, initial period means within first 5 6 hours or first 10 hours, then that video gets really visible to many other people. That's the whole issue, right? Otherwise, uh, and secondly, you see, you get encouraged that, okay, whatever you have planned, people are liking it. So it's a personal encouragement. Plus, on YouTube algorithm, it works pretty well. Hopefully I've explained you, right? uh, Bank Nifty with puts, Mr. Agarwal, 10,000 put buy. uh, oh, sorry, it's not bank Nifty, it's something else brought forward, or maybe what. 10,000 puts buy, 97 into 2 sol, 92 by. Oh, it's a pretty long white butterfly. Don't worry about that, right? No need to worry about that. Mr. Ghosh, hope you make handsome profit tomorrow. Okay, he's talking about Mr. Roy's trade. You're a new member, Mr. Satya. Most welcome, sir. Now cross. Thanks, Mr. Reyes. Thanks to everybody, Mr. Modi also. Okay, what is Mr. Chandrasekhar saying? Long 10,100 July future plus sold 9,900 four lots plus sold 10,500 four lots. Oh my God. And protected it with 10,500 December put. It's too complex, and you have done so many things. I don't know, 10,500 put, is it purchased or sold, Mr. Chandrasekhar? If it is purchased, market going down will be great for you. If it is sold, then you have to calculate what are the levels. 10,396 should be okay. You can always, you see, nothing is okay in absolute terms. As of now, seems to be okay. But if market starts moving towards 97.50, 96.50, then definitely, Mr. KP, you need to do something, right? You're giving confidence to your students. Oh, that's my job. So hopefully, I'm able to save somewhat pain in your trades, right? Give one example. I've already given example, Dr. Prakash. This is not, I'm not doing a workshop here. So I'm just giving an example. You have to see the video again and build up your own examples, right? With month in the money call to buy for covered call at what delta? Oh my God, Mayank Sani, you're into covered call. Mr. Krishna says, like the video, so nice of you, uh, Mr. Krishna. Mr. Kamba says, do we need to adjust 9500 put sell and 9400 put buy? Bull put spread 95.94, Mr. Kamba, no issues. You can sit tightly because you see markets will go up, markets will go down. So there are some trades which are pretty far away. We will do that if market comes to 9600 level. Before that, I don't think anything to do. Don't do anything in panic. So many times we have seen. So earlier also I said, oh, so many people who are stuck up in calls, keep on rolling over your positions. Time will come when all these calls will give you profit. And generally I have seen worst to worst, within 2 months market will give you time. And in this case it is not more than 2 weeks only. So from previous expiry, or you can say month and expiry, people were got stuck and market was moving up, moving up, moving up. But all those who have maybe broken the trade, or maybe you have shifted your trades, now you must be getting a lot of money back from the market, and congrats to you for that. Mr. Satya says, I am from Chennai, 97 put and 10,400 call short. So 97 can be slightly risky, but wait and watch. A market can, you see, go up also. Don't think all these things are forever. So if your Dow Jones recover during night, you can see tomorrow SGX opening 50 points plus also. So don't spoil your sleep. Just don't be worried, and morning you will see what to do. 10,000 long and 9,500 call sold. No worries, you must be in profit, Amit. Uh, June iron condor 95, 99, 95 put sold, 99 buy. Oh, it's a reverse iron condor or what? Complex trade, sir. You have to bring 10,500 down because you've taken a huge risk of, I think. But 95 is still far away. Don't worry, perfect traders. Uh, do we use this strategy? Long version, short call. Hmm, 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 hmm. Picking excellent topics. Okay, so nice of you. So lot of trades still coming. Maybe I don't know. You see, this fast you people keep on writing trades, and I keep on just speaking about the trades. I don't know whether uh, sometimes I'm speaking some wrong terms or not. 9,800 put at 114 and 10,400 at 114 sold. Oh, 9,800, Mr. Reddy. Yes, we need to roll it down. And maybe 10,400 must not be at 114. No, it must have gone down. So what you can do, you can roll down the whole trade as of now, right? You have purchased 10,500, Mr. Chandrasekhar, nothing to worry. You want markets to go down. I think that whole trade in few seconds, what I could see, that was a very bearish trade. So if market goes down, your profits will increase. At some point in time, you need to think where to stop profit rather than stop loss. Right? Mr. Ketan Maru says, first day live, most welcome, sir. For me, short strangle 11,000, 9,000. Just close the laptop, Mr. Maru. Excellent trade. Just sleep till the time market doesn't touch 9,400, right? Or 10,500. After when it comes closer to 400 points, only then we will see what to do. Otherwise, no worries. Let market go up and down by 100 200 points. You are least bothered. I love this kind of trades. A far month and 2,000 3,000 points gap. So you need not sweat with any small or moves of the market, and for you even 500 400 point moves are small moves. So very good trade, and you will most of the time make profit in these kind of trades. Please do a video on our calendar spreads plus adjustments. Calendar spreads and adjustments, Mr. Shubham, are part of our workshop. So anything which is part of workshop, obviously we are not going to put it on the public platform. Try to understand, there are commercial reasons also, Mr. Shubham. Right? Okay, our next workshop is scheduled on 27th and 28th of June. Basic management, Greeks, volatile markets, long-term wealth creation strategies, repair strategies, and obviously all those time spreads. You call it calendar spread, double calendar spread, diagonal spread, double diagonal spread. We talk about all those strategies in our workshops, right? And anybody wishing to join can visit our website www.theoptionschool.in. I'll show you the numbers also. And if you want to participate in live chats, you can become our gold member. If you want to send your trades to us and want our views on those trades, you can become diamond member. And if you want to see some of our trades wherein we are hedged, we are trying to hedge ourselves to maximum possible extent, you can become smart edge member. To join, you can click on this join button, and there is a description also given in the description video. There is a link given to join this video, so you can join there. Also, another announcement I want to make: we are doing a workshop with National Stock Exchange Academy, NSA Academy, and this webinar is going to happen on 17th and 18th of April, both the days, 2 hours, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. And this is on Iron Condor and Iron Butterfly, right? So anybody willing to join can join that. And all of you who have already done our Iron Condor workshop, they may not join because most of the material will be very similar. And anybody who has who missed that Iron Condor workshop, so now this is a golden opportunity to join. You will get a certification from NSE also, so you can join this workshop, which is happening on 17th and 18th, 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. both the days. It will be a 2 days workshop, right? Thanks, Mr. Vivek, for appreciating. And you just came from shop. Oh, that means you're working very late. 9:35. You're coming. I thought you are a full-time trader. The kind of knowledge you have, it seems you're a full-time trader, right? That is 17th and 18th of June, right? Next, if I'm not wrong, next Wednesday and Thursday it is there. Right, to join any of our workshops, you can contact us at these numbers. You can write an email to us at this email ID for even joining that NSE workshop on 17th and 18th, which I am taking in collaboration with NSE. Obviously, it is an online thing, so anybody from any place can join. So you can send a WhatsApp at this number, the first number, and we will try to send you the details if you are interested in that, right? That is 2 days, 2 hours on both the days. And anybody willing to join our workshop of 27, 28, you can contact any of these numbers. You can send a mail to us also, right? And if you have not liked the video, go ahead and press like button. Thanks to all of you. We have got a decent number of likes. And what is Deepak ji saying? 20K plus subscriber. And in your slide, it has written 14.1K. Let me check. It was changed to 14.4K. Okay, we'll change it to 20. Mr. Deepak, so nice of you. You have told this, right? Would you get the recordings? No, sir. There will be no recordings available. And share this video to whomsoever you think it will be useful. Vivek says, I work only on trend lines. That's great. If that works for you, I work only in strategies. So everybody has his own uh, areas of competence. So accordingly, everybody likes his own areas, right? Shall we wait till third week to do the adjustments? Adjustments of what, Mr. Gupta? So it all depends upon the trade, how far the trade has gone bad. Accordingly, you can do the adjustments whenever it is required. Do write about your feedback, about your comments, about any questions you want to ask, anything you want to suggest in the comment section, and any question you want to ask, we will try to answer as soon as possible. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and press that subscribe button so that you are not missing some very good discussions with a good decent group who understand option trading strategies really well. And in most of this group, they can just see a payoff diagram and name the strategy. That is the strength of the group, right? So thanks to all of you, and have a great day. See you all tomorrow again at same time. Have a great and day and have a profitable day. Right? Thanks to all of you. Why market down? Markets are just following US markets. If you have seen, US market has gone down by 700, 800 points. So that's why our markets were also down. And if US market doesn't recover, we will be also down tomorrow. And if they recover, we will be moving up. So that is the whole phenomena. So if somebody can give you news about US markets in advance, you can always trade in Indian markets. Deepak ji. Right? Thank you. Thanks to all of you. Good night.